Evicting a tenant can seem like a complicated process, but in this video, we'll quickly explain eviction laws in Pennsylvania and how to recover your property in 3 simple steps. First, what is an eviction? Eviction is the process of legally removing a tenant. It's illegal for a landlord to change locks or physically remove a tenant themselves. So if the renter refuses to leave after violating their lease, you must seek an eviction from the court. The process for simply terminating a lease differs from that of an eviction. Lease terminations require proper notice from the landlord or tenant, and state requirements can be found on our website. Legal reasons for eviction in Pennsylvania. A landlord only has grounds to evict a tenant for reasons allowable in the state. The first step in the eviction process is to give the lessee a notice to quit. Non-payment of rent. If the tenant is late on rent, you can serve them a 10-day notice to pay or quit. This gives them 10 days to pay rent in full along with any penalties or vacate the property. Non-compliance. In the case of a lease violation, a non-compliance notice gives renters occupying the property for less than a year 15 days to either comply with the lease or vacate the property. Those living on the property for more than a year must be given 30 days to correct the violation or vacate. Illegal drugs. If your tenant has been convicted of using, selling, or manufacturing illegal drugs, you may issue a 10-day notice to quit, which requires them to vacate within 10 days. Unlike previous notices, the tenant cannot remedy this violation and must move out at the close of the 10 days. Rent grace period. In Pennsylvania, there is no rent grace period. Rent is due on the due date stated in the lease. 3 steps to legally evicting a tenant in Pennsylvania. Serve the notice to quit. Choose the form you need and download or fill it out on eforms.com. Post it on the tenant's door and also send it via certified mail with a return receipt requested via USPS. If the breach is curable, you must wait the specified number of days before taking further action. File eviction papers with the court. If the tenant hasn't mitigated the issue and remains on the property, you can proceed to court. File a complaint in the local court in the area in which the property is located. After filing, the court will select a hearing date. Attend the hearing. At the hearing, the judge will reach a ruling. If the tenant does not show up or if the judge rules in your favor, you may request an order of possession after 10 days, which gives the tenant another 10 days to leave or be forced out by the sheriff. Damages. Often the tenant's security deposit does not cover total losses. If damages are not awarded at the hearing, you may be able to recover past due rent and court fees through small claims court. Now you can get eviction proceedings started. Get eviction forms, court documents, and all other information you'll need at the link below for free.